beauty world. Hello everyone, I welcome you all. It's Christmas, just around there, so it's feeling like Christmas. Thank you so much guys for your support, for your love. We always appreciate you guys. So if you are new here in this channel, we talk about skincare, skin lightening, we do some beauty tips, so we do all of that. If you feel like this is your cup of tea, just subscribe and then welcome to our family, Marvelous Beauty World. So today's video is a nice video. It's a nice topic that a lot of you guys have been requested for it. So today I'm there to do the video about it. So a lot of people have been asking me, like, how long does it take if you start using a new product? So how long does it take for you to see the results or to see a nice glow skin, or how does it work, blah 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 blah. So my answer to that is, like, we all have different skin, different skin tone, different skin type. So like if some product works on me, it's not the same way it's gonna work on you or on her or on on X or C or B, so but the first advice I will give to you, if you start using a nice new product, so make sure that you exfoliate your skin 2 times a week. When you are exfoliating the skin, you are just getting rid of all the dead skin, and then when you use now your product, so the product will sink properly on your skin, and then you see that glowing and then that nice whitening on the skin. Because if you don't exfoliate the skin, so you won't even see the result, because it's gonna be just like the product will be just laid on top of your skin, but it's not gonna penetrate properly on inside your skin. Why? Because of the dead skin on top. But if you remove that layer of dead skin, and then your skin is nice and clean and clear, so when you apply the product, so the product will sink, and then you're just gonna go nice and smoothly on your skin. Also sometimes you have to have like a habit of using like some oil, like body oil or facial oil. Is really nice because that lock the moist on your skin, and then it helps you to give you that nice glowy. Because some people, they use like lightening skin, but the skin is light but the skin is kind of like dull. So to get rid of that dullness on the skin, so you need to be using your exfoliate. At least exfoliate your skin twice a week. So you can use like chemical exfoliating or manual exfoliating. But if you don't exfoliate your skin, so I would suggest you to start first with like a manual exfoliating. So you can use exfoliating from apricots, coconut, avocado, whatever, any kind of exfoliate will do the job. It's just knowing your type skin. So if you know like which type skin do you have, so in order from that, so you can choose which exfoliate you can use. Like if you have like a dry skin, so you can go for avocado exfoliating and coconut. Or if you have like a sensitive skin, so you can go like with something like almond exfoliating. So they made it with almond. So just each type skin so has like a nice particular exfoliating for it. And then so the product doesn't work the same way on everyone. So one product can work good, maybe for you to see the results it might take like 2 weeks, but in another person might take 1 week. So it just depends on which skin type you have, and then the texture of your skin. Some people, they have like thin skin, so they see the results quickly, and then those people have like thicker skin, so it takes a little bit of time. But for me to tell you that you're gonna see the results like for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, so I cannot tell you that. So different products work differently on different people, but for sure, so our skin shades after 4 to 6 weeks. So just from that time, so that's not me, like it's like we did the research and then so it shows that like our skin shades between 4 to 6 weeks. So if you are having like some problems by doing everything, you don't know, like you don't see the glow ring on your skin, don't see the lightening, so just try to shift things. Exfoliate your skin 2 times a week, and then so apply the products properly. So look at it before 4 to 6 weeks, so you might see the results. And then try to drink some water as well. Water is really nice because it pushes out all the toxic in your body, in your system. So it's gonna help as well to give you a nice skin. Eat some veg, some fruits that do help as well. Thank you so much. So that was the answer from if you are trying to lighten your skin but you don't see that glowy, you just see the skin is dull, or how long does it take for a product to work on your skin. So that's my answer. That's different people the product works differently, but if you want to see like effective results, try to exfoliate your skin, and then make sure that you take time to clean your skin properly. When you are applying the product on your skin, you feel like your skin is nice and clean. And then have a skincare routine as well. Lightening the skin is not a skincare routine. You need to have a skincare routine: cleansing, toner, exfoliating, moisturizing, so you will see your skin will look nice even though you are lightening it, but you have that natural glow on your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I do appreciate, if you have any topics you want me to do a video on it, please drop us a comment. Let us know how you feel about this video. Did you get your answer from this video? Please let us know. Comment, tell us what you think about the video. Thank you. We love you so much. Thank you for your love, your support. If you feel like this video is not for you, please help me share. Maybe your cousin or one of your relatives, she can like or have in need for this video. Love you so much. We see you until our next one. Bye, mommy.